Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting a paintbrush and a tradable pet ready. This is the essential prerequisite. First, join adoptme and confirm your pet is tradable, otherwise you cannot apply the paint. Once done, place both the paintbrush and the pet in your backpack or hotbar so you can access them quickly. Make sure your internet is stable to avoid interruptions during the process. You'll save time and reduce errors by organizing inventory before you begin painting. Next, equip the paintbrush and target the pet you intend to paint. This is the core interaction. You click the pet to bring up color options, then choose a variant and preview it so you understand the visual result. This prevents accidental paints you can't revert. Once you confirm, watch the animation through. If you interrupt or leave the server mid-animation, the process may not finalize. Make sure you have enough in-game space and aren't in a trade or private. Finally, verify the painted pet in your inventory and inspect its appearance and stats. You want to confirm the paint applied correctly. If the paint fails or the animation glitches, rejoin the game, clear your Roblox cache or restart your device, then try again. This resolves most sync issues. Make sure you never trade while painting and inform potential traders about expected delays. If a problem persists, take screenshots immediately so you can report the issue to adoptme support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.